I am actually going home early today because my laptop has been arrived in front of my house. So I am very excited about this. Let's see what I got there. 2 months ago, I ordered my Lenovo Thinkbook 15 second generation AMD version laptop from their official website, and it's finally here. I will talk about the specifications later, but right now let's have a first look together to my newly arrived laptop which is just arrived in front of my door, and I cannot just wait to see them. Wow, they delivered it right here in front of my door. They just put it here, and yeah, this is it, my laptop, Lenovo Thinkbook 15. I choose the customized version of my Thinkbook. I choose the processor as Ryzen 5 4000 series, and which has very decent performance with 6 core, 6 thread, and 6 MB disk memory. I choose 16 GB RAM, and I choose 512 GB SSD. The build up looks very solid to me, and this laptop comes with several ports: SD card slot, USB 3, LAN port, my dual microphone, and HDMI port you have, and you have two USB-C Thunderbolt. So this is it, and yeah, the keyboard looks okay, and this laptop weighs about 1.7 kg. So that was a very quick unboxing. If you enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.